Coquette inspired nighttime bedroom tour. I'm so excited to share this video with you. Today I wanted to share a Coquette inspired bedroom tour at nighttime. I just love how our bedroom looks at night, and I thought it would be so much fun to share a little bedroom tour with you with how our bedroom looks at night. I've got this beautiful little setup. I've got some gorgeous candles. I just love to light some candles. I have this beautiful swan with a pink little rose. I've got my favorite Ladurée chocolates in this pretty box. And I just love this little setup. It's really Swan Lake Ballet inspired. This is my little vanity. I've got this gorgeous music box and my favorite vintage mirror. I got this beautiful gold bow mirror, which I really love. And I have my favorite vintage perfume bottle. This is my little view in my mirror. I just love this little view. It looks so pretty. This is my little corset and some of my favorite lace dresses in pink and white colors. These are some of my favorite nightgowns and my favorite little dress. I just love this little closet space, and I just have this beautiful pink corset. It's so gorgeous and it's so coquette. It's so pretty. This is my vanity. I love to collect some beautiful vintage pieces on my vanity. This is a little trinket box that I've got from Etsy. This is my bed with some hard pillows and some tea. I love have some tea, especially at night, with a delicious treat like some macaroons or some chocolates. Those are my favorite treats with my tea. This is my bed. I just love how pretty it looks. This is my Coquette nighttime routine in darker light. I wanted to film this with my lights on and with my lights off. This is the bedroom with the lights off. I just love how dark it is and how cozy it looks. This is my vanity and some of my favorite hair products that I love to use, and a little Coquette makeup bag, some beautiful vintage treasures. I just love this little setup on my vanity. Everything looks so pretty and so beautiful. I love to light some candles, especially at night. It makes our bedroom look so romantic and so beautiful. These are my favorite Gishu hair products and my favorite vintage pieces that I love to collect. My little trinket box, my little carousel. I love to listen to my carousel, especially at night. The music is so beautiful. My vintage mirror and this beautiful bow mirror that is so pretty. I love all the colors at night. Everything looks so romantic, and I love all the pink colors. Beautiful makeup bag. I've got these beautiful vintage treasures from She's Parisian. I will link her little shop down below. Beautiful pink corset. I love all the pretty pink bows and the pearls. Some of my favorite nightgowns and my favorite little dress. Some beautiful lace dresses that I've collected. my nightgowns, my nightstand. I love the candles, my little setup in my bedroom. I love to have some tea with a delicious treat, especially at night. I love the lighting of these candles. And this is my beautiful bedroom. I love how cozy and pretty everything looks. So this was my Coquette inspired bedroom at night. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye.